Hi, it's Paula Clark with Coldwell Banker and the Paula Clark Group. New listing coming on the market. It's here, 441 Tappan Road in Norwood. It has a circular driveway set way back. Wait till you see what this house has to offer. Let me show you. So here we are in the house of 441 Tappan Road. It is so expanded. Follow me. As you walk into this home, it has an open kitchen and the island goes into the dining area where it butts up to the beautiful property in the back. In the back, it has a basketball court, beautifully paved, surrounding the whole house. It has a beautiful and very expansive deck outside as well. This home has a full finished lower level with a full bath, master bedroom suite, and so much more.